Ginger, Part 10, Beyond the Kitchen, Nature's Wellness Powerhouse. When we think of ginger, we usually imagine it spicing up a stir-fry, simmering in a hot cup of tea, or adding warmth to a cozy dessert. But ginger, officially known as Zingiber officinale, offers far more than flavor. For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to this humble root not just for cooking, but as a trusted remedy, beauty enhancer, and wellness tool. Let's explore how ginger is being used beyond the kitchen and why it's become a favorite in the world of skincare, traditional medicine, and self-care. Ginger in skincare, a natural radiance booster. Ginger is rich in over 40 antioxidants, making it a powerful ingredient in modern skincare. These antioxidants help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that accelerate aging and dullness. Key benefits in skincare. An anti-inflammatory, reduces redness, swelling, and puffiness, especially helpful for acne-prone or sensitive skin. Brightening, helps fade scars and even out skin tone over time. Circulation booster, stimulates blood flow, which can lead to a natural glow. You'll find ginger as an ingredient in face masks, serums, body scrubs, and even anti-aging creams. It's especially valued in products that aim to detoxify and refresh tired skin. Ginger in aromatherapy and wellness routines. The spicy, warm scent of ginger essential oil is both stimulating and comforting. In aromatherapy, it's used to uplift the mood, combat fatigue, and reduce anxiety. Common uses. Diffusers. A few drops of ginger oil can energize a room and sharpen focus. Massage therapy. Blended with carrier oils, ginger can help relieve muscle aches and stiffness. Bath soaks. Adding ginger to a warm bath can promote circulation and relieve stress. Because of its warming nature, ginger is particularly loved in colder months or when the body needs a little extra stimulation. Traditional healing with ginger. Ginger has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine systems for thousands of years. In Ayurveda, India, ginger is considered a universal medicine and used to balance all three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. It's used to ignite Agni, the digestive fire, making it a common addition to herbal teas and tonics. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, ginger is seen as a warming herb that helps to disperse cold and support healthy qi energy flow. Fresh ginger is often used to treat nausea, colds, and digestive issues. Even today, ginger teas and herbal compresses are part of many people's daily health rituals. Ginger in modern wellness products. Beyond traditional remedies, ginger is now featured in an array of modern wellness items. Soaps and shampoos for its invigorating scent and antibacterial qualities. Candles and incense to promote focus and relaxation. Nutritional supplements, often used for gut health, joint support, and immune strength. Herbal tonics mixed with lemon, turmeric, or honey to boost vitality. Its versatility makes it a favorite for people who want natural, holistic ingredients in their health and beauty routines. Why ginger stands out. What makes ginger so special is its adaptability. It's warming yet soothing, powerful yet gentle. It fits into a wide range of lifestyles, whether you're blending a homemade facial mask, soaking in a herbal bath, or simply sipping on a detox tea. And as more people embrace wellness beyond pharmaceuticals and synthetic chemicals, ginger continues to shine as a go-to natural solution rooted in ancient knowledge. Final thoughts. Ginger is more than just a kitchen spice. It's a wellness companion with centuries of tradition and a growing body of modern support. Whether you're looking to enhance your skincare routine, deepen your self-care practices, or explore natural health, ginger offers a wealth of benefits worth discovering. So next time you pick up ginger roots at the market, remember it's not just for dinner, it's for your whole well-being. Love learning about the benefits of natural remedies? Hit that subscribe button and join our growing health-conscious community. Sharing this video with someone who needs a little wellness inspiration today? And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to enjoy ginger?